Meaning of Fosse Way.
Fosse Way.
Fosse Way.
Fosse Way.
Fosse Way. Fosse Way is a Roman road in England that runs from Exeter to Lincoln. It was built in AD 47 to 48 and was used for both military and civilian purposes. The name Fosse comes from the Latin word fossa, which means ditch or trench. The road was created by digging a ditch on either side and using the earth to build up a raised road in between. Today, parts of Fosse Way still exist as modern roads, and it continues to hold historical and cultural significance as an important reminder of Roman occupation in Britain.